right, so first to start off with, this is Zoom. You can schedule a meeting, join a meeting, host a meeting. Let's go with schedule a meeting first. All right, in order to schedule a meeting, give it a topic. Just call it uh, class. That's it. Give it a date and a time. Give it a date and a time. A duration, how long the class is going to last. Time zone. The personal meeting, the meeting ID, template, and security, and the waiting room. And then save it. Save it, and here's your link right here. You want to copy this link. Copy link. Then we can use the Microsoft Meeting Teams thing to go back and send the link to whoever you need to send it to. So you want to send it to the for some load. All right, you can go back to the. Well, I'm gonna go back to the group chat that I was in. You feel me? Right here. Oh, didn't copy it. Oh, let's go back and get the meeting link. Go to copy invitation. Copy meeting link. All right, we have a copy. Go back in here. Paste it. Then you start the meeting. Okay, so once it starts to load and the meeting starts, okay, you can choose to make the screen bigger, smaller if you want. Make it bigger. Put the video on. I had the videos on back up a little bit. All right, bringing them into the meeting. Can you turn your camera off for me, Mr. Colbert? Turn your camera on. All right, now the camera on. What flavor of Powerade do you prefer? For sure, for sure. Okay, now that we're finished, to leave the Zoom meeting, you just press in for all, and it ends the Zoom meeting for everyone. Then you finish with the Zoom meetings. You can backspace, not backspace, go back a page, go back a page, and go back to where we started off at. You can join meetings by just getting the code from whoever is starting a meeting, getting the code, typing the code in or the meeting ID, and that's about it, really. So